Tantrum9, and we got another Dissectional here. Yes. How are you guys doing? We're back with another Dissectional, and this time, I'm pretty sure you can see from the box what exactly it is. So I'm not going to beat around the bush this time. We're upgrading our microphone. My current microphone setup is not very good. Of course, I brute forced it and I've made it work all these years, but it needed a little shimmy up, and it's done pretty good for itself. It's okay. It's not bad. It has its caveats here and there, and it's just listening to it by itself is just terrible. So we're doing a little bit of an upgrade thanks to you guys and thanks to the support. I'm finally actually getting a decent microphone for once. In comes the MV7X. Now the X part of this is from the XLR. My current setup is an XLR microphone. The regular MV7 has a USB passover plus the XLR. Oh, and by the way, I'm still looking for my kitchen knife, Michael. Please, wherever you are. Now, you might be wondering, why did you get the MV7X in comparison to the SM7B? The MV7X is a little bit cheaper than the SM7B, and that's just what I could get at the time. So I'm thankful to even get this one. So, and it provides pretty good sound for what it is. Welcome to better sound. Sure. Sure. As I said, sure. Brings a little cushiony sure. Brings a little adapter for your microphone. Now, if you pick this up, it's not going to bring the XLR cable. You're going to have to get that separate. There she is. Really, this is a Shure microphone. You could tell that the construction quality of this is very, very nice. It's heavy, so make sure that your microphone stand can hold on to it. You have just the XLR inputs here. Now, I've heard that this pop filter or windshield, I guess you can call it, is not very good. It's most people, the biggest complaint from this microphone is the wind sponge, I guess. And most people, what they usually do is that they remove this and then they put the SM7B pop filter on it, and yeah, it usually does the job. I don't know if I'll do that yet. For sure, this is very finicky. That's the only complaint, honestly, aside from me putting it on and testing it out. But this looks really, really solid. The construction of the handle and everything that holds it together is bar none, honestly. Really, really impressive. I'm super excited to test this out. As with most audio stuff, it's going to be tweaking here and there, tweaking until your brain bleeds. Now, if you're interested in a demonstration of how this microphone can sound, I am live on Twitch Mondays through Thursdays, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And if you want to see how this sounds while I'm screaming bloody murder, and if horror is your thing, you're home.